How to take multiple trades in TradingView paper trading. Can you open multiple positions? In this video, I am going to answer a common question. Can you take multiple trades on the same asset in TradingView paper trading? If you've tried opening several positions on one symbol and notice they combine into a single trade, this tutorial will explain why that happens and what you can do instead. Let's start with the most important point. TradingView paper trading does not currently support multiple separate positions on the same symbol. If you open another buy or sell order for the same asset in the same direction, TradingView automatically merges the new order into your existing position. Instead of creating two separate trades, it calculates a new average entry price and displays a single combined position. For example, suppose you buy one share of a stock at $100. Later, you buy another share at $105. Instead of showing two individual trades, TradingView combines them into one position with an average entry price. This behavior is known as netting, and it's how the TradingView paper trading simulator is designed to work. There is currently no setting to switch from netting mode to hedging mode for paper trading. If you want to practice taking multiple independent trades on the same symbol, you'll need to use a trading platform or broker that supports hedging or multiple position management. TradingView's built-in paper trading account doesn't currently provide this functionality. However, there are still a few ways to manage your trades more effectively. You can take multiple trades on different symbols at the same time without any problem. For example, you can hold one position in Apple, another in Tesla, and another in Bitcoin simultaneously. If your goal is to scale out of a position instead of managing multiple entries, TradingView now allows multiple take profit and stop loss levels in paper trading. You can divide a single position into several exit levels, allowing portions of your trade to close automatically at different target prices while managing risk with corresponding stop-loss levels. Another option is to create separate paper trading accounts if you want to test different strategies independently. Each account maintains its own balance, settings, and trade history. Here's a pro tip. If your trading strategy depends on scaling into positions at different prices, keep a detailed trading journal alongside TradingView. Recording each individual entry and exit helps you analyze your strategy more accurately, even though the platform displays a single averaged position. And that's how multiple trades work in TradingView paper trading. Remember, the platform currently supports only one net position per symbol, so additional trades are merged into a single position. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.